Have you ever felt like you are not good enough, smart enough, or talented enough to achieve your goals? Do you often doubt yourself and fear that you will fail or disappoint others? If so, you are not alone. Many people struggle with self-doubt and fear of failure, which can hold them back from pursuing their dreams and reaching their full potential. In this video, we're going to share with you 7 simple steps to overcome self-doubt and fear of failure so that you can start living the life you deserve. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. And if you want to learn more about how to achieve your goals and dreams, you need to watch our video on goal mastery. You can find it by clicking on the I button on the top right corner of this video. Don't miss this opportunity to learn the secrets of success. Now let's get started. Welcome to Opulent Savvy. Self-doubt is a lack of confidence in yourself and your abilities. It's a mindset that makes you question your own actions, decisions, and worth. Fear of failure is an irrational and persistent fear of failing or falling short of expectations. It's a mindset that makes you avoid taking risks, trying new things, or challenging yourself. Both self-doubt and fear of failure can have negative consequences on your mental health, happiness, and success. They can make you feel anxious, stressed, depressed, helpless, powerless, and frustrated. They can also make you procrastinate, sabotage yourself, underestimate yourself, or give up easily. Fortunately, there are some effective ways to overcome self-doubt and fear of failure. Here are 7 steps that can help you develop a more positive and confident mindset. Step 1. Untether your identity from success or failure. Don't let your self-worth depend on external factors such as achievements, outcomes, or opinions of others. Recognize that you are more than your performance or results. You have inherent value and potential as a human being. Step 2. Make joy, fun, and play a priority. Don't take yourself too seriously or put too much pressure on yourself. Enjoy the process of learning, growing, and exploring new possibilities. Find activities that make you happy and fulfilled, and do them regularly. Step 3. Practice gratitude. Appreciate what you have and what you have accomplished so far. Acknowledge your strengths, talents, skills, and qualities. Celebrate your wins, big or small. Express gratitude to yourself and others who support you. Step 4. Embrace a growth mindset. Believe that you can improve your abilities and overcome challenges with effort, feedback, and practice. View failures as opportunities to learn and grow, not as setbacks or threats. Seek constructive criticism and feedback from others who can help you improve. Step 5. Set realistic goals. Break down your big goals into smaller and more manageable steps. Focus on what you can control and influence, not on what you can't. Track your progress and adjust your plan as needed. Step 6. Focus on the process, not the outcome. Don't obsess over the final result or compare yourself to others. Concentrate on the actions you need to take to achieve your goal. Enjoy the journey and the experience of pursuing your passion. Step 7. Practice mindfulness and visualization. Be present in the moment and aware of your thoughts, feelings, sensations, and surroundings. Don't let negative thoughts or emotions overwhelm you or distract you from your goal. Use positive affirmations and visualizations to boost your confidence and motivation. These are 7 simple steps to overcome self-doubt and fear of failure. By following these steps, you can develop a more positive and confident mindset that will help you achieve your goals and dreams. Remember, you are capable, worthy, and amazing. Don't let self-doubt and fear of failure stop you from living the life you deserve. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below How do you overcome fear of failure? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay opulent and savvy.